There, found some nature. How does it keep changing where it is? Animals are creepy. I can't even find that bird. Where are you, little bird? Again, animals are good at being ninjas. I know this is probably getting repetitive if anyone is following these videos as a series. To be seeing the same scenery again and again, even though it does change each day, the colors of the leaves. But I'm goddamn determined to catch some of these muskrats on film. If they will let me. Blue heron. Did I get that on film? That was magnificent. I don't even know if it came out in the dark. This place is so nice when it's getting dark. It's creepy though. Farmers in India have started using Coca-Cola and Pepsi as a pesticide spray on their crops. They say it's cheaper and it works. And we drink that shit. That's some good nature. It's weird they're all flying north. But I'm not a duck, so what do I know? I just heard something in the bushes over there. It's probably another stoner. We're the only things that actually make any noise out here. And the partridges. I saw this awesome episode of Unsolved Mysteries last night. One of the old ones. About how Billy the Kid didn't fucking die. It was pretty cool. This guy claimed to be Billy the Kid and he was like 90 years old in the 60s and 70s. He had all this proof, all these sworn affidavits saying he was. And the US government wouldn't grant him a pardon. They wouldn't even look at his evidence, apparently. That bird's still going. I spotted him just a second ago. He's right in that tree there. I don't know what he's so mad about. Probably a bear about to eat me or something, and I don't understand his warnings. But yeah, when I was a kid, reading about cowboys like Billy the Kid, they always seem so, like, far away. Like some ancient other world. Fuck, there's something around here. All the pheasants are freaking out. Anyways, they seem like a totally different world. Because, like, when you're a kid, the 19th century, 18th century seems like so far away. I have no sense of a historical scale. I haven't read about cowboys in ages, played Red Dead Redemption a bit. That's a good game. I found it funny that it was based in 1911. Now reading about Billy the Kid again, he was running rampant in like the 1890s sort of thing. It wasn't that long ago. I'm sure you noticed that, but crazy. How did we go from like fuck the federal government on that level to being such little pissant slaves to it? People used to be so strong, they couldn't deal with us. Now we're weak. I'm scared of going in this pond. I'm weak. I am a weak human. Even after all my efforts to not be. But being a human now, I almost wonder if like Leonardo da Vinci would be who he was in this day and age with all the brainwashing that'd be fucking up his head. What would happen to the Renaissance men in this day and age? The day and age of an overload of culture. The day and age where you see Van Gogh painting styles used on advertisement posters for ice cream. Probably just a bitter artist though. That was a weird noise. I don't know what that was. It's kind of chirp. There's critter noises coming from the woods. Oh, I'm not done my coffee. I thought I was. Hmm. Man, being in the woods at night by yourself is weird. Ugh. It's very peaceful, but at the same time, terrifying. And I'm the only thing out here that doesn't know how to blend in with my fucking surroundings. Or how to move quietly through the bush. We have so much to learn as humans. It smells nice out here.